understanding physical and functional vision. Okay. As far as I know, movement lesson, and I made a mistake on this. I put it in the wrong spot. Movement lesson is the only one that looks at both physical vision and functional vision. Now, what's physical vision? Physical vision is the actual structure within the eyes. Like, I'm getting old, I need readers. I need reading glasses. Now, I've discovered this because I used to be able to read a menu, and now I can't. And so we look at those things where people, then I have functional vision. One of the things I never want to do is lose my peripheral, because then I'm going to put myself at risk for Alzheimer's. I want that ability to look around, what I call work the room. So when you see a typical kid come in, like, this is why I don't like kids in my tour room, because they're just like, and they'll have it memorized in 3 seconds flat. And they'll go, truck, 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 and you bring out a truck. No, truck, truck, because they want the yellow truck with I'm telling you, they know my inventory. If you think the answer is no, just ask Neil, Cindena's little boy. That's just the way kids are. And then, so the functional vision, now you'll see it more like with CVI. CVI, you can either have environmental complexities that I can't deal with. It might be the structure of my eyes, and again, not attaining to glasses, not getting the right help there. And then you're getting the neurological processes. People think that 100% brain damage, you have 100% CVI. That's not the way it works. My son has CVI. He still has CVI, even though he's 21, he's at 10. Cannot look at my face. It's the hardest thing he can to look at, but he doesn't have any damage to the brain, per the MRIs. But he had the infection in the face, in the head, the cranium, so he did have the structure issues of his system. So a lot of people think, oh, your child has CP, automatically have their CVI. No, they don't. It doesn't work that way. So that's what you're looking at with the physical and functions. I've got people here from China right now. Again, working with great people. I have people that are local. I have people that come in from all over the world. Nobody that I know evaluates vision as part of the way that the child processes information. And it's your number one, because vision coordinates the topical senses, and then vision also coordinates the sub-senses, like sense of spatial orientation. It doesn't have to do with pain or temperature and stuff, but vision does work with a lot of the sub-senses, like my sense of balance and counterbalance. Your eyes are off, the depth perception's off. Your spatial, your proprioceptors, your kinetics go into vision. And these are really important. So I don't care if you're doing what you think is ABA and what you think is, most modalities. I can go on and on. I'm not here to name pick, but it pains me that I have kids coming in and just can't see. They just can't see, either because of a physical limitation or a functional limitation. A lot of times, let's say if I have cerebral palsy, if I go to look this way, I might go into dysonic or lose my balance. So I'm just going to stop looking to the left. It has nothing to do with the damage or PVL to the brain. That my system is very intelligent. I don't want to fall, so I'm just not going to look that way, because if I look that way, I'm going to fall. If they start associating physical limitations or physical deviations, especially around vision, your child is really in trouble. The autism is going to be harder. The CVI is going to be harder. The cerebral palsy is going to be harder. I can go on and on with the wish list. If you do not have functional vision, and that's where you need to work on number one, because if you change the vision, you change the body. And I can't stress that enough.